Welcome to our channel One Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can invite your friends on TEMU app. So you have to do a certain step so you guys can get the invitation link, and if you invite your friend and they join TEMU app using the link, you will get some rewards. Alright, follow the step which I'm going to show you guys so you guys can find that invite link. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after you open TEMU app, at the bottom you can see the U icon. Click on it. Once you do that, log in into your account. Now I have already logged in into my account. Now once you log in into your account, you can see this option called earn credits and free gift. Now for you, if this option is not being displayed, you need to do a certain thing, and the thing is just follow what I'm going to show you. First thing first, you want to go inside settings, and inside settings you can see where it says country and region. Click on it, and from this option make sure you choose United States. It's going to be at the end, so make sure you choose United States. Once your account is registered under United States, after you follow the step which I just did, then just refresh this page. Once you refresh this page and log in into your account, you should see this earn credit and free gifts option. You just want to click on it now, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you all of these free gifts. Now what you can do is click on get now. Now it's going to show you a little ad, but you don't have to worry about it. Just click on start, and as you guys can see, you can see refer one friend option. Click on refer one friend and then click on copy link. Now you have copied the link. Now you can refer your friend, and after you refer your friend, basically if they join, you can get a free spin over here. Once you spin it, you can win anything you want, but it's like a lucky draw game. It doesn't mean you're going to win every single time, but there's a chance you might win something. Alright, so hope you understand how to invite friends on TEMU app. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.